You have the blue. This is the model V50. Easy to identify because it says V50 on the back. Camera panel, finger sensor here. And you need to factory reset, hard reset, clean and wipe this device. So we need the device powered off. Let's get started. We're going to hold volume up and power at the same time. Volume up, power. We're going to let go as soon as we see the blue logo. Right there, let go. And now we're waiting for a menu. And this is, I don't know if there's errors in this phone, if it's poorly manufactured, but I've never seen. It's going to bring up a different kind of recovery menu. And then again, I don't know. See, I get this speed spread trum factory test. So I get all these tests, but here we got factory reset. But I'm a little bit concerned that my volume button is funny because it jumps really. Let's see if I can get it to stop at factory reset. Now I'm going to press OK with power. Let's see if we can get it to erase. Maybe you have to press up for OK. I'm learning with you. Press OK one more time with power. There it goes. I don't know if it's because I pressed a little bit harder. These buttons might be shot. Hopefully we'll get the erasing menu here in the center and we'll call it done. There we are. Hopefully this helps someone on factory resetting, clean and wipe their blue model V50. If this has helped you, please like, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.